Besides shaitan telling Allah, you see, I told you. وَقَالَ الشَّيْطَانُ لَمَّا قُضِيَ الْأَمْرُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ وَعَدَكُمْ وَعْدَ الْحَقِّ وَوَعَدْتُكُمْ فَأَخْلَفْتُكُمْ وَمَا كَانَ لِيَ عَلَيْكُمْ مِنْ سُلْطَانٍ إِلَّا أَنْ دَعَوْتُكُمْ فَاسْتَجَبْتُمْ لِي فَلَا تَلُومُونِي وَلُومُوا أَنفُسَكُمْ. Shaitan on the day of judgment will tell Allah, oh Allah, or in fact shaitan will say that Allah has promised you a true promise and I just gave you a false promise. You are the one who listened to me. I didn't force you to do anything. You came to me with I had a false promise. You left Allah who had the true promise, and now you are here, you are stuck. Don't blame me, blame yourself. That is shaitan's statement. So my brothers and sisters, we need to talk about this. Magic is something that if a person participates in it in any way, shape or form, they are compromising their relationship with Allah and even destroying it. But if a person seeks forgiveness from Allah, He will forgive them. So if you have done something in the past, seek Allah's forgiveness.